Good everyone. We've got a Dell laptop here to fix. The screen has a problem. Let's connect the screen is like a liquid damage. The screen has a liquid damage on it. Switch it on. You see that? Liquid damage on the screen. So let's replace the screen. Okay. Okay. Liquid damage. Okay, you need to lift up this. There's a clip here over here. You need to lift it up a little bit. Better still, see these two things, there's a cover here. Let's take it out. Other than that, the screen is not gonna be easy to come out. Okay, that's it. Then okay, there you go. See, there are two things here. See this one and this. You need to move it back a little bit. You push it back so that you'll be able to lift up the face cover. You see, you just have to be careful when doing this. There you go, it's out. Okay, you have 4 screws to take out on the screen. You have 4 screws to take out on the screen. One, two, three, 4. You have them to take out. Or before then, when replacing a new screen, you disconnect your battery. It's very important that the battery is out. Otherwise, it might affect the screen when doing that. Because if the battery got power, in some cases, it might end up fusing the screen or cause a damage to the motherboard. Okay, the screen is out. Let's put another screen, a new screen. Okay, here's the new screen. It's 50.6 40 pin. You see that? 50.6 40 pin. Okay, connect the screen now. Dell Aspirant. Okay, let's test quickly. There's the charger. Connected. Charger connected. Power on. Do you see that? It's fixed. You see that? Okay, so we can now assemble the screen now. Okay, put back the 4 screws to tighten the screen. You've got 4 screws there. You've got 4 screws that tighten up the screen. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let's put back the front cover. Okay, so you put in this front cover now. Remember those two cover here, you need to lift them up. You lift it up. You lift them up so that the cover can go in properly. There you go. That side is in. You just need to be careful, otherwise you end up breaking the screen or cause a damage to your screen. Okay, you lift it up. Please be careful when doing this. Okay, there you go. There you go. Just close up the edges. Okay, there you go. Okay, the cable is not on the line. Suppose. Okay, it should close now. There you go. That's it. That's it. Connect your battery. Battery connected. Then charger. Power it on. Power on. There's no picture. It's so funny. Okay. Oh my word. Okay, you know what's gonna happen? Let's take out the battery. Battery out. Then connect the charger again. Power on. That's strange, eh? That's strange. That's so strange. So strange. That's so strange. You see, we were just replacing the screen. Now a lot of stuff coming on. There's no picture. It's on, but there's no picture on the screen. You know. Did you see that? It's on. It didn't say on the caps lock. It's on, but there's no picture. Okay, let's quickly open up the laptop again. Like I said to you, when doing this, you just need to be very careful. probably maybe the screen connector is out, you know. Probably the screen connector is out. I'm not sure what's going on. But let's open it up and see. Okay. Okay, that's on. Okay, let's quickly open up the screen quickly. Okay, let's see quickly what's going on here. Okay, let's assume the cable was not connected properly. Let's assume the cable was not connected properly. I mean the screen cable, the connector. Okay. Okay. The power supply. That's the charger. Connected. Power on. You see? Then we have picture. Okay. I think that was my mistake, at first. For now, you know, while closing it, probably the cable shift from the connector, you know. I was worried putting a new screen on a laptop that was working. All of a sudden, there's no picture, you know. It's strange, you know. It's strange. Okay, let's cover it up. I'll off it now. Let's just quickly cover it up. The video is getting long now. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's closed, everything is intact, you know. Okay, let's connect the charger again. Power on. There you go. Then we have picture. I think I will stop this video now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.